Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from any screen. Telephone second down or second up from the bottom there. Please connect mobile settings. As you see there, SOS settings, TMC. So we need this bottom one, settings. Make calls, Bluetooth, select, discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, and we go down to bonded Bluetooth devices. Click on that. You see there, that's my phone. Click that, and the first one is delete Bluetooth device. That's the one we want. Now you can also, if your iTunes, your audio isn't playing through the system, just go into that and check, because sometimes you have to accept that it's going to be used as an audio device as well. So do you really want to delete this device? Existing Bluetooth connections will be disconnected. Yes, we want to delete it. So that's it. Bluetooth device is being deleted. So again, I'll just do that quickly again. Nav. From any screen, to delete a phone, we're in Nav at the moment. You go to telephone, which is this second one from the bottom. You've got search for new mobile device, which is defaulted to, but you've got settings here. Now settings is the bottom right hand corner, and it corresponds to the bottom right hand corner here. So click that, and you've got there, we can go down, switch off telephone, LAN settings, Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, and then down to bonded Bluetooth devices. You see there, previous owner Simon's iPhone. Click on that, delete Bluetooth device, and then you just have to knock it up to yes. Defaults to no, knock it to yes, and that's it. It's gone.